So here we have a painting of Tara in her red form, one face and eight arms, and she's surrounded by the other remaining 20 forms that relate to the 21 Taras of Suryagupta. This is a Kashmiri system of the 21 Taras, as different from the Atisha system. The Atisha system, the Taras are in different colors, but they all have one face and two arms, and they hold a vase in their right hand, extended across the knee, and the vase is the same color as their body. So their body could be white, yellow, green, blue, red, depending. Whereas with the Suryagupta was a Kashmiri Buddhist scholar, and his main practice appears to have been Tara, and there's many, many forms of Tara that were passed down through Suryagupta to different teachers, and the majority of them actually went to Sakya in the late 11th and then the 12th century, and then came into and then spread throughout Tibet through the Sakya tradition and then the related traditions. But what's unique about the Suryagupta is there are peaceful, wrathful, and complex deities. So we have this Tara with one face and eight arms, and then we have blue-black Taras, white, green, orange, yellow, and some of them can also be riding on various mounts or animals. They can be standing or they could be seated. So it's really quite a variety, and they of course are related to each of the verses of the praise of the 21 Taras, the same as the other versions, such as the Atisha or the Sadhana Samuchaya, and then the later Nyingma Revealed Treasure versions of the 21 Taras and their appearances, their iconographic appearances. So it's always interesting to look at these different single compositions where all 21 Taras are depicted, and to compare them one painting to another, just to look at the styles. Now, this style appears to be very much more of a village countryside style. It's not overly sophisticated. It seems to be primarily focused on trying to get the forms of the Tara more correct in terms of peaceful, semi-peaceful, wrathful, the color, standing or sitting, and what the hand attributes are. So that seems to be what the primary focus is. In terms of the detailing is rather minimal. In terms of any ornamentation in the painting, there's almost none. We have just a little bit of a water feature under the central red Tara, and then we have a little bit of cloud in the upper composition surrounding some of the forms of Tara, but they have quite large halos of different colors surrounding them, which precludes too much space for clouds or for any kind of other features or decoration. So the main point here is to look at this painting with other paintings of the Suryagupta tradition, and then to really look at the styles and try and see where different paintings are from and what time periods and what the main focus of the artist is. Is it the iconography? Is it the art? Is it the color? Is it there's all kinds of aspects which artists are focused on, depending on who's commissioning the painting or what the painting is for, or if it's for ritual use, or if it's a memorial painting because somebody's passed away, or it's because it's actually a ritual practice for a family. So there's many different reasons why these are made. So we'll leave it there. You can press like, you can subscribe, you can join HAR on Patreon, and you can also make a donation on the homepage of Himalayan Art Resources.